guys, it's SJ Gaming 64 here, back with another gaming video. Today we're back in Genshin Impact and we're going to go to the next temple. Alright, here we go. I wonder how long it's going to take us, to be honest. Us, we're almost dead, all of us. Well, just me. Okay, treasure. Guess it won't open. Alright, forget it. We need to hurry up to the next temple. We're gonna do the last two temples today, and that will be pretty good.
Steady as stone.
This is easy claps.
As a dutiful maid would.
Oh, oops. I didn't want to use it. Oh, that's cool.
I'll catch up.
Now it's coming. Okay, and we're done. I don't know how we're going to get to the next area, but I hope we find a way. I mean, I guess we could climb.
I must leave no stone unturned. Darn it. I'm getting PTSD of this. Breath of the Wild PTSD. Must climb. I don't see anything. Oh, we're here.
Lisa.
Hey, cutie. You're going to help me out too? How kind of you.
No, it's
Don't
because we're
hesitate
forced
to
to.
come to me if you need anything. Good question. Basically, things other than that which require brawn or brains.
So, what does that leave?
I don't know. Alright, next temple. Oh, he's level 2? Okay. I think he is ready. Nah, I'm not doing Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. What else? We don't have anything else. But I think we're ready. Yeah. You're gonna easily defeat this.
I guess I could give this a go.
And die. Oh. You're gonna have a party
I
of
knew
5?
it. There is a strong elemental energy coming from deep within this temple. Paimon, are you able to float across?
She's surprisingly fast.
Let's ride this wind current, shall we?
Oh, cool.
Leave it to me.
Oh, far away attacks. So lightning person, I guess.
It's an electro monument. No wonder. Let me try to activate it with a bit of electro power. Stand back, sweeties.
Yes, I did it.
Come a little closer. Blitz.
Are they not all dead? Jeez, that was close. Iceman.
Cool it! What's the hurry?
Oh, we actually need him.
Cool it! Dodge this! Cool it!
You're in for a little shock. You've been a naughty boy.
Why is she talking like that? You know?
When it comes to
Kind of
weapons,
weird.
I've got them covered.
What about the ice suit?
Don't be such a brute.
That was... You did that to yourself. Why did that to yourself, I guess.
Oh, another wind
I
current.
can fly.
Let's ride it up from here.
I like her range. Oh no.
You're in for a little shock. Blitz.
I must leave no stone unturned.
Chain lightning can be set off between electro-charged opponents.
I really like all of this.
The electrical discharge caused by friction is only a little less shocking than love at first sight. Oh, you want to know about this, Jeff?
I didn't mean to do that. Totally. Oh, they move. That's how. Yeah, that's right. Just help! Help! I can't keep dying like this.
Oh, nigga!
My health, it's deteriorating. I almost fell off again. Oh no, 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 please stop. Okay, we finally made it. Please,
What?
no, stop!
You've never seen a vision? Just where exactly are you from? Are you a hilly churl with some level of reasonable intelligence? No, I doubt it. After all, hilly churls aren't...
So you call me an
Break
idiot?
it, and we can head home and relax. The thought of put...
Oh, it's one of those consolidated wind things. Let's head back to the statue of the Seven out.
Dragon of the East, Lion of the South, Wolf of the North, Falcon of the West. They are the four winds of Mondstadt, affiliated with Barbados, the god of Anemo. The Dragon of the East, Storm Terror, its real name is Dvalin.
What a trash name, not gonna lie.
Though most in Mondstadt seem to have forgotten that in all this Storm Terror business. So now you know why Dvalin is only able to channel 3 of the four winds' power. Because it has been consuming itself from the beginning.
Why would it go for such lengths?
Because of hatred, I presume.
Hatred?
Hatred for Mondstadt. Hatred drove it to become something more powerful than the wind itself. To become Storm Terror.
But why would one of the four winds hate the city it was supposed to protect?
As a child of Mondstadt, it's something that's really hard to say aloud. Here, take this. It's a very old story from more than a century ago.
Oh, it's history.
Well, you should come with me. Paimon will tell you about the rest later.
You're in for a little shock.
I just realized this is the first video of 2021. Epic. We did it! The city's clean. A 4-star unit visa.
Whew, it's finally done. Well, all that lay, flow, and elemental line stuff Lisa was going on about should hopefully be back to normal. Wanna go back and see how the knights are doing?
No.
But if you got anything more interesting to do, Paimon can come too. By
Please
the
don't.
way, we obtained another Animalculus in one of the Four Winds temples, right? We might come across more of them in the future, so don't forget to offer them to the statues.
I'm gonna forget about that. It's my adventure rank. Cool. My adventure rank is 6. Alrighty, I think this is now just side quests. I'm honestly thinking that I should end it off here. Then again, why don't we do a side quest to get us started? Goodbye.
Here, let me help you.
Hmm. Oh, now she's a higher level than us. Okay, no, that can't happen. There we go. Perfect. Nah, let's not go for max level. To be honest, we should end it off here. Okay, guys, thanks for watching the video, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye. Check out the Discord. Unless it's not up anymore. Wee.